This is tutorial number 151, and it covers basic loft cut feature within SOLIDWORKS. Now to start off, let's open up a new part file. Let's click File, click New, click Part, click OK. Now in this tutorial I'm going to cover how to use the loft cut feature, and it's pretty much the same as the extrude loft feature, just instead of creating a loft, you're going to be taking a loft away from a solid. So to start off, what we're going to do is, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a basic one, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a cylinder, and we're going to use the extrude, the cut loft to cut a loft out of the cylinder. So let's click circle, click the front plane, and let's make a circle and make the diameter 200, and let's extrude it out 500 mils. Click OK. Now to do the extrude cut loft here, like I'm doing, what we're going to be doing is you need two profiles, so two different sketches to create the extrude cut loft out of. So let's click this face here and let's sketch a circle on it, and we'll do it from the center point here, and let's make this circle have a radius of 150, and then let's do the same. Click OK, finish that sketch, and click this face here, and we'll do the same, and we'll make this with a diameter of 50. Click OK. So now we have our two profiles. So what we're going to do now is, with these two profiles, we're going to loft cut them out of this solid. So let's click Insert, click Cut, click Loft, and select both profiles, and you'll see a preview of the cut. Looks good, we like it, so click OK. And now we cut out the loft between these two profiles. Now we're able to change the two profiles, and it'll consequently change the cut loft that we just made. So if we changed this sketch, click Edit Sketch, and say we change the diameter to 150 like the other side, it's going to look like it went straight through. Click OK, and now it just looks like a normal cut all the way through. And if we changed this sketch here from 150 to 100, click OK, you're going to see the loft cut and just how it goes. So pretty much what you're doing is, from one profile to another, it's going to meet, and then it's going to cut out that profile. Now let's delete this cut here and delete the two sketches. And just to show you, it doesn't have to be circles, it can be anything else. So let's do two squares. So click this side here, just draw a skinny square there, click OK, go on the other side, and just draw a normal square here, click OK. Doesn't have to be precise with the dimensions, just make the two different kind of sizes. Click Insert, click Cut, click Loft, and click the two profiles. And you're going to see a preview of the two being cut. You like it, looks good, click OK, and it's going to cut the profiles out. Now when you're doing two different profiles, the one thing that I have to stress that you must do is that with the two squares, there's 4 points on both of them. Whenever you're doing a loft between two, the easiest way so that you don't run into trouble is by using the same amount of points on each side. So if I had 4 points, like a square on this side, and say I had 6 points like a hexagon on this side, it's going to be a lot harder to create that loft, and it might not even be able to do it too. So the best way is just make sure that you have the same number of points on each side using each profiles. So you're able to use circles, you can use polygons, it's all up to you, but that's the basic fundamentals of doing a loft cut. So create two profiles and just join them together, and it lofts the two. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the basic loft cut feature within SOLIDWORKS.